Struggling with health issues? The right juice might be your solution. Carrot juice strengthens a weak immune system, while kiwi juice slows aging. For bloating, cucumber juice works wonders, and orange juice enhances iron absorption. Dehydrated? Watermelon juice is your go-to. Nausea? Ginger juice soothes it instantly. Blueberry juice boosts memory, and black grape juice tackles high cholesterol. High blood pressure? Celery juice is your ally. Pomegranate juice supports heart health, and cherry juice eases sleeping troubles. Discover the power of nature's remedies in every sip.